Hello everyone. This video is to show what I've been working on lately, and been working on the track on the bottom portion of my layout. As you can see, a bunch of track there. Just working on the turnouts, wiring up the turnouts. There's 9 turnouts that I need to install, and so far I have 6 that I have already installed. What I mean when I say install is powering the frogs, wiring them up, and those 2 there that I showed on one of my previous videos, and that turnout right there, that one is a non-powered turnout or frog, non-powered frog, so I don't have to worry about wiring the frog. So it's just wired up like a normal turnout, and there's a switch that controls the under the table switch machine, as you guys can see there. Here's one that I already finished. This one is one of the powered frog turnouts. I wasn't able to fit a switch machine under because of the 2x4, and so I came up with this. Just place the slide switch next to it, wired it up. Middle point goes to the frog, the other 2 go to the bus line. Same with this one, same with that one. These are already installed and wired. For this one, because it is it's diagonally, so I wasn't able to replace a manual switch machine under the ones that I make. So I went with Caboose Industries ground throw. Now this is one of the ground throws that allows you to power the frog. So I went with that one so I could have power on that frog right there. I'll show you how I wired it. There it is. The middle wire goes connected to the frog, and the other 2 will be connected to the bus line. And this one has one of my inexpensive manual switch machines, and there's a rod that controls the machine. And it's powered. I already tested the frogs, and all the frogs are working fine. I'll show you the machine itself, or the wooden block and the slide switch. So here's the rod, or the handle. There it is. So yeah, it's working fine. There's the wires. One wire is already connected to the frog. The other 2 will be connected to the bus line. So that's that for the track. I will have to solder the track together eventually, but I will need to work on those other turnouts over there first. Another thing that I just did is install the LED strips, as you guys can see. Focus, okay. there. I was watching some of the other YouTube modelers, some that had or that purchased the LED strips, and I figured I would give them a try. So I did purchase 2 of these LED strips. I showed you one of them that I have not installed yet. There it is. And there's the one that I just used. They're about 16.5 feet long. So I will definitely need to cut all that extra down there. Let me get in a different position here. So there it is. All this is just extra that I'll need to cut and maybe place it on a different area of the layout. So yeah, there it is. I just did that today. Now I have light down here, which I'm very happy about that. I purchased both of them for about $7 and change, and that includes shipping. So through eBay. So I'm very happy with it, and very inexpensive. So yeah, just did that today. Now I have light down here. And here are some other stuff that I picked up from eBay. Music wire, some thumbtacks, and a bunch of them slide switches. Slide switches, like I had said on my previous video, were $24 for like $2, including shipping. Music wire was about $3, and thumbtacks less than $2. All from eBay, and I was happy with the price. So yeah, the thumbtacks are about 80 of them. I'll be using these for the helix over here. That I'm working on. Since there's no scenery on the track or anything like that, I'll just be using the thumbtacks. I did purchase for $100 I purchased Atlas Code 100, 25 pieces of track for the helix, and thumbtacks will hold it in place. So yeah, that's the idea behind the thumbtacks. Besides that, I don't know if I have anything else to show. I will just demonstrate one of my engines going through the frogs. We would put it in speed step 1. It might take some time because it's moving very slowly, just so see that it can go through the frogs without stalling. There, it's on one of the frogs, on the first frog there, and because it's powered, the engine just keeps on moving. Yeah, this is gonna take some time. But it's only 2 switches. So as you guys can see, it already cleared 1 frog. Oh, and these engines that I have, I equipped them with the TCS decoder. Has a keep keep elect technology, so that helps as well. But it just keeps going through them. It's on the second frog. Crawling slowly. And there, I believe it just cleared the second frog. So yeah, there it is. So yeah, I'm very happy how it's coming along. Now we'll bring the train back. This time, make it go through the frogs at speed step 3, or go through the turnouts, I should say. In this area here, it's the local industries. That'll be about 2 or 3 industries that the small switchers will have to work. So yeah, that's pretty much for today. Well, thank you for watching, everyone, and everyone have a good day.